Give it. Alright, I'll just wait. This is your viewer.
Well, we actually recalled someone in,
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Explore with My Eyes, and we are super excited to be here. We are in Honolulu and we are going to Waikiki beach right now. So watch the full video guys, it will be many episodes, and give us a thumbs up. After a long break we just came back again with some video. So it's showing around 45 minutes because of traffic to reach Waikiki beach, and we'll enjoy this ride, and the weather is really nice, so we are super excited guys, and enjoy this video. And one more stuff, this Uber rides is $35, and Dallas to Honolulu it takes around 8 hours 30 minutes, and we took American Airlines direct flight, so the return tickets took around I think it was $750 around. So we are about to reach to our resort. It's Alohilani Resort, Honolulu, and nice ride. See, look at this guys. The vibe is really awesome. Something is different. The color of the sun, this beach is something is really different, and the afternoon it's really awesome. It's mind blowing. So we are about to reach to our resort. We'll show you the entrance. We'll give you the details of this resort. Stay with us, and yeah, that's the resort we are entering. I can see, yes, this is the one, and I think we'll take a right turn from here. Yes, this is our resort. It's big resort. We'll give you guys it's really big resort. So stay tuned guys, stay with us. I'll give you short room trip in a short time. So follow our channel guys, please share this video. Hello guys, we just checked in our hotel. It's Alohilani Resort at Waikiki Beach. You can see, I'll give you a short room tour here. You can see this is our restroom. Oh, this is nice. The lighting is really nice. Mirror, it's really small. Shower area. And here is the cupboard. You can see there's a locker, a full mirror. This is basically the room. Here's the bed. There's nothing, a painting. Here's the entry. TV unit. They gave some coffee. Small bar, I don't know, is there anything? No, it's empty. This is basically the room or bed, and you can see the ocean. It's the balcony. Here you go. looks beautiful. We have a room upgrade in next 2 days. We'll stay here in next 5 days. So we'll give you an entire tour or all the details of Hawaii journey, trip, everything. So stay tuned, follow our channel. Hello guys, we are just walking through the Waikiki beach street and this is our first day and we are enjoying a lot. Hello guys, good afternoon. This is 4 o'clock at Hawaii time and you can see this is our resort. This big tall resort, you can see Alohilani resort, and this is the Waikiki beach, you can see. This side we are seeing this is a sunset. I mean 4 o'clock, so yeah, and it's crowded. You can see the beach is really crowded, though I don't think this is a full peak time, I mean season. And people are surfing. So this Waikiki beach and the Honolulu actually famous for surfing. So there are surfing boat you can hire here. I think that start from $15. Hey guys, this is our resort. You can see this is the restaurant. The building is so tall, it's a skyscraper. You can see the road is so neat and clean. The weather is really good.